Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey. Today's video is a collab with a few other moms here on YouTube, and I will put a link to the full playlist in the description box below. We are all keeping it quick and simple, so anybody that wants to watch all of the videos can just click on the playlist, sit back, and let them all play through. So we're doing a cook and clean with me. And today I have made beef stew in the Instant Pot, and then we're just gonna do a little bit that needs to be done in the kitchen. Mondays are very busy days for me. I do own a cleaning business, and not only is that a busy work day for me, but it's also the day that I pick up checks and go to the bank and pick up anything that I need for the rest of the week for the business. So when I come home on Mondays, I don't want to have to stand in the kitchen and cook forever. So I like something quick and simple, but very comforting, because by the time I'm done on Mondays, I'm ready to sit back and enjoy something that I really love and be done with the day. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is run through how I prepare the beef stew in the Instant Pot for you. And then once we're done with that and I sit down and eat dinner, I'll be back to finish the kitchen. And I'm gonna load the dishwasher and wash the few pans that are in the sink that I don't put in the dishwasher. And then I wanna wipe over the back of the stove really well, because I didn't get to that the other day when I cleaned out the fridge and the freezer. And then I wanna clean out the microwave really good, because I didn't get to that either. So now I'm gonna put in the clips for how I prepare the beef stew, and then I will be back. All right, so I'm gonna be cooking some beef stew in my Instant Pot for dinner tonight. So what you will need for that is your beef stew meat, which I've got in the microwave right now defrosting. And I've got corn, green beans, diced tomatoes with garlic and onion, tomato sauce, beef broth, and then I'm gonna be seasoning it with garlic, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. And then of course I have some potatoes. So when the beef stew meat gets done, I'm just gonna put it on the saute function in the Instant Pot and saute it for a couple of minutes just to get some flavor in and char on the meat. Okay, so my meat is defrosted enough, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the Instant Pot on the saute function while I cut up the onion. Okay, while the meat has started cooking or sauteing a little, I'm just gonna get the onion cut up for it. And then we will add the onion and the seasoning to the meat. Okay, so the meat has started sauteing, so now I'm just gonna add the onions and then season the meat. Some onion powder. I like a lot of onion powder. Some garlic salt. Black pepper. And I'm gonna put a little sea salt right now, but then I'll put more salt after I put the potatoes in to make sure that it has enough. I'm just gonna let that saute and break up for a few minutes, and then we will put everything else in. Okay, so here is the very simple part of it. I don't drain anything, I just put everything in. So corn, a can of beef broth. You can use water if you don't have beef broth. Can of green beans. Can of diced tomatoes, and they don't have to be the garlic and onion. You can use whatever you have. That's just what I have. Small can of tomato sauce. and then the potatoes. And remember, when you're making this, that liquid does not cook out of the Instant Pot. So you want to make sure that you have enough, but not too much. Okay, so I'm going to give that a stir. Now I am going to add a little bit more salt because of the potatoes. And of course you can always taste it when it's done and re-salt it if you need to. Just want to get it mixed up really good. And that looks like plenty of liquid to me. The potatoes are covered. I'm going to get the top on it. And we're going to cook it at high pressure for 45 minutes. Make sure your vent is set to sealing. Turn the saute function off, so just cancel it. Pressure cook on high, and I'm going to go up to 45 minutes. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's been doing a natural release for 15 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and release the pressure. All right. It is done. Man, that looks good, and the meat looks so tender. So I'm just going to get my bowl fixed. Storming and raining here today, so this was perfect for tonight's dinner. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you tried, let me know in the comment section below, or tag me on Instagram. It is casey.mcniece. I will also link that below. Now I am about to go eat. Okay guys, I'm back, so I'm just going to finish getting the dishwasher loaded, and then I'm going to start on the dishes that are in the sink. Does anybody else not like to wash their pans in the dishwasher, or is that just me? I love Mrs. Myers. Isn't terrible, but it does need a good cleaning. is it. And I look like I just ran a race. I'm glad all that's done. I think I will fix me another bowl of soup and go watch some YouTube and get ready for bed. Don't forget to check out the playlist and watch all those videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you are over here from any of the other ladies' channels, hello and welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. And if you go over to any of the videos from my channel, please let those ladies know that I sent you. I hope you all have a great night, and I will see y'all in my next video.